Today we have to learn more about Word. So first I will open Word. I have created already one document for you. So we'll open that. Last class we studied about Home tab. Today it's turn for Layout and Insert. So first I will go to Layout tab. First is in Layout tab is Margin. As you draw margin in your copies, here we have margin, different types of margins. Normal margin, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, Office 2003 default. Let's choose the suppose wide margin. Okay, so this is the wide margin. You see page changed, lot of spaces left here, all four sides, lot of space we get. The next is orientation. In Word there are two types of pages, portrait or landscape. Right now you see landscape is highlighted, so this page is landscape. When you click on portrait, you see this standing page. The page just like your book page of your book or copy is a portrait one, and landscape is just like the sheet of your drawing book or drawing copy. Now page size. Here we have many page sizes like a page letter, or you can get the size of A3 size paper, or you can get the A4 size paper. So this is a different size of paper available here, so that when you take out the printout it will come like along with like that one. Next is your column. See, right now it is one column. We can put the data in two columns. See, the whole data is coming in two columns now, just like your newspaper columns. We can further make it to three, left, right, like that. Okay. Now next is break. Break, as you know, we break the biscuit, we break the pencil. Putting the page into two halves is break. They can be page break, they can be column break, test wrapping, next page. So for break, what to do? Just wherever you want to insert the break, just to select and then do break, page break. So now I selected the upper part, so I got page break here. Okay, it is from Let Us Understand. The before that whatever was there has gone for a break, separated. Okay, now here two more options we have to undo and redo. Suppose I have to just bring it back. Now no break is there, it is still here. Suppose we have to do line break. I put my cursor here. Suppose I put my cursor here, I go to break, column break. You see it will go to different column. Now again I put my cursor anywhere, suppose here, we go to break, page break. See, it has gone to a new page. So this is how it goes on. Break means you put it apart. If you do line break, it will break the line. If you do page break, the page will be broken into two parts, like that. Now line numbers, you can put line numbers, continuous, restart each page, so you can get continuous. You see, I got line numbers 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, all line have numbers. Since we are writing in columns, so that is why all lines are showing here numbers. Okay, so this was all about this. Now indent. Let's understand what is first indent and spacing. See, indent means how much text is moved away from the margin. The distance of text and the margin is called indent. Suppose we set the left, here it is 0 centimeter. If we increase, see, away from the margin, the text is now 0.1 centimeter away from the margin. If we increase further, see, wherever my cursor is there, suppose I keep it here, and now I increase the indent, see, left indent. So see, my text is moving away from the margin. Now right indent. Right indent is 0. So again, if suppose I put my cursor here, either you select or you put your cursor there. So that will, see, my text is moving in. So distance from right margin, minus 2.3, I set it. Now spacing, before the line or before the paragraph, after the line or after. Suppose I want to put before paragraph. I put my cursor here, and then before, see, spacing is increased. After, suppose I put last line, and then after this my spacing should be more. See, so increases the space before and after the paragraph or before and after the line. So I think it is clear. Now layout. In layout we have tried different options like margin, that helps us to set the page margin. Then orientation, there are two types of orientation, portrait and landscape. Portrait is the standing page, landscape is like your drawing copy page. Size, we have different size of papers here like letter A3, A4, A5. Now we can break our text into columns just like your newspaper, 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns. Now we also applied page break, column break and line break. It breaks the pages. If you put page break, the page will be separated into two parts. If you do column break, then the text will move to the next column. Simply you have to take your cursor at the place from where you want to break. Okay. Then is indent. Indent means distance from the margin, left side or right side. And these spacing means the distance between the two sentences before and after, or two paragraphs before and after. Okay, above selected paragraph or below the selected paragraph. Clear? So this was all about Word. You can subscribe the channel to get latest